Hi, my name is Katie from Clipper Marine in Swanwick, and today I'll be showing you the 2002 Island Packet 485 that we've got for sale. Here I'm showing you the aft deck, which is really spacious, and the new cockpit canopy, which was fitted in 2023. You've got two solar panels fitted in the aft, which are 235 kilowatts each, and a very spacious lazarette, which has a rail fitted for wet weather gear and is kept warm by the water heater. Moving up the side decks, you can see you've got large uncluttered side decks which make moving around on deck really easy. As you can see, the ground tackle has been completely replaced and upgraded with a new Lewmar V4 electric windlass, 40 kilogram anchor and 100 metres of galvanised chain. Back in the cockpit, you've got 6 winches, 2 of which are electric, and the boat's also undergone a navigation refit. So she's been fitted with 2 Axiom Pro screens, I-50 and I-60 instruments, a new VHF at the chart table and at the nav station. She is also fitted with Raymarine Quantum 2 Doppler radar. Down in the very spacious saloon, you can see you've got a sea berth on both the port and starboard side, as well as a lovely table and a really decent galley. And we will go into that in more detail in a minute. The electrical system's been updated. The AC charge system was replaced to battery banks, integrating a new 3000 watt Mastervolt combi inverter / charger, and then a smaller Mastervolt charger is fitted for the genset and engine and thruster banks. Moving forward through the boat, you've got a guest cabin on the starboard side, which can easily sleep to and can be transformed into a study. And then you've got a really spacious forward cabin with loads of storage. So there's storage under the bed and storage in all the cupboards as well. The forward cabin has its own heads, which can be accessed from the main part of the boat or from the cabin itself. It's worth noting that the vacuum flush pumps and toilets were rebuilt and new seats were fitted. Looking at the galley in more depth now, you've got 2 fridges and a really deep freezer. You've got 2 sinks and a gas hob, oven and loads of storage. Moving forward to the master cabin, again, loads and loads of storage in here, storage under the bed, storage in the cupboards, and it's a really spacious aft cabin, which is also fitted with its own ensuite. So both primary cabins have a ensuite attached to them. You can also access the lazarette from in here as well, and you can see just how spacious that lazarette really is in this clip here, and there's the rail for hanging up wet weather gear. Looking at the galley again, you can see the fridges I've opened up for us now. So you've got a fridge on the left-hand side, a freezer on the right-hand side, and there's a second fridge down below, which I'm going to show you here, which is perfect for a day fridge and storing things that you need to access fairly quickly. And then you can use the deep chest fridge for everything else. She's fitted with 100 horsepower Yanmar, which is the 4JH3 HTE, and engine access is really good as well. For more information, please email me at katie@clippermarine.co.uk.